Hi, Vanessa here. In this video, I am going to demonstrate how to crochet the extended single crochet stitch. Okay, so it's very similar to the single crochet, it's just one additional step. And let's get right to it. Okay, so I have some super bulky weight yarn here. This is Lion Brand's Wool Ease Thick and Quick. Okay, and I have a large crochet hook here. Okay, so I'm going to start with a slip knot. And you can chain any number of stitches. I'm just going to chain a few. Okay, so there's 6. Okay, so now to work an extended single crochet, you're going to insert your hook into the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, so now in a regular single crochet, you will then yarn over and pull through both of these loops. In the extended version, you're going to just pull through the one loop. Okay, so yarn over, pull through one, and now you yarn over and pull through 2 loops on your hook. Okay, so it's very much like the single crochet, except there's one additional step. Okay, so right into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, we're going to yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so that's what you're going to repeat all the way across. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Okay, yarn over, pull through just 1 loop, yarn over, and pull through 2 loops. Okay, yarn over. Okay, insert your hook into the next chain stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, and pull through 2. Okay, last stitch. Okay, last stitch, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, and then yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, that's row 1. We're going to chain 1 and turn. Okay, so again, we're going to add the additional step for the extended single crochet. So right into the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, so I'm going to repeat that all the way across. Okay, so that's row 2. So now you just repeat row 2 until you're happy with your size. Okay, so here I've completed a few more rows, and this is what it looks like. So basically it is what it sounds like. It's an extended version of the single crochet stitch. So I do have a swatch here that is just single crochet. Okay, you can see in comparison the single crochet looks slightly different and the extended is taller, of course. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos. I'll see you next time.